Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to take GNC Whey protein. First, select a GNC Whey protein product that best suits your fitness objectives, whether it's muscle building or recovery. Always check the product label for detailed instructions on serving sizes and ingredients. It's important to be aware of any allergens or dietary restrictions you may have. This ensures you choose the right product for your body and goals. To mix your protein, combine 1 scoop of GNC Whey protein powder with about 6 to 8 ounces of your preferred liquid. Water is a common choice, but milk or a non-dairy alternative can enhance flavor and creaminess. Use a shaker bottle for convenience, ensuring you shake it vigorously for 20 to 30 seconds until there are no clumps. Alternatively, a blender works great for a smoother texture. For optimal results, consume your GNC Whey protein within 30 minutes after your workout to aid in muscle recovery and growth. Generally, 1 to 2 servings per day are recommended, but this can vary based on your individual protein needs and activity level. Always consider your total daily protein intake from all food sources to avoid excessive consumption. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. To truly maximize the benefits of your GNC Whey protein, integrate it into a well-rounded diet rich in whole foods, and maintain a consistent exercise routine. Staying adequately hydrated throughout the day is also crucial for overall health and proper digestion. Remember, protein is a supplement, not a meal replacement. For more great deals, and to find a book that can truly change how you think about money, * The Simple Path to Wealth *, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.